Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in gifts and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a unique anniversary gift that caught our eye, the BESZONE tin rose, perfect for celebrating a special 10th anniversary. Let's explore why this might be the best tin gift for your loved one. The BESZONE tin rose isn't just any artificial flower. It's crafted from solid 100% pure tin, making it a symbol of enduring love and beauty. Unlike other tin-plated options, this rose is casted to perfection, ensuring quality and authenticity. What sets this apart from typical anniversary gifts is its handcrafted detail. Each rose is meticulously designed with lifelike petals, leaves, and stems, making it not just a gift, but a piece of art that signifies a decade of cherished memories. Now, let's talk about why this makes an ideal 10th anniversary gift. First off, it comes in a sturdy and elegant gift box, ensuring a grand presentation. Whether displayed as a centerpiece or kept as a memento, this rose adds a touch of elegance to any space. What's also impressive is the tin purity stamp that comes with it, explaining the significance of tin for a 10th anniversary. It's not just a gesture, it's a meaningful symbol of your lasting commitment and love. And let's not forget its practicality. Unlike real roses that wither away, this tin rose is everlasting, a constant reminder of your enduring affection. Many have shared how this rose has become a cherished keepsake, perfect for celebrating a decade of marriage with elegance and sentiment. So, whether you're celebrating your own milestone or looking for a memorable gift for someone special, the BESZONE tin rose stands out as a timeless choice. Its craftsmanship, symbolism, and lasting beauty make it a top contender for the best tin gift for anniversaries. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products you love. Until next time, keep gifting with meaning and style.